In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily hard reset or factory reset your JBL party box. Okay, for the first thing what we can do is, if we have like a newer party box, then we have to press the play button and the light button a couple of seconds. But before, turn it on. So make sure that you turn the party box on, and then here press the play and the light button at the same time for like 10 seconds. If you have like an older model, so like I have, because I have a party box 310, then we have to press like the play and the plus button for a couple of seconds. So, and then we see when the party box is reconnecting or is hard resetting. So okay, now we see it. It should be like that, and now the party box is restarting or hard resetting. And this is all we have to do. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.